That's set for probably this is set for probably 200.
So if it's thicker metal, you can go a real slow speed.
Okay, and how close am I getting? The wire about how far away?
Probably.
Oh, well, you don't have the trigger on. So about like that?
A little closer. Right. And just start from this side and go that way.
Okay. Can I rest on this one?
You can do whatever you like.
Okay. There it goes. Oh, did it feed out some wire?
Yeah, as soon as you squeeze it. But you're all right. It'll here. I'll give you.
Okay, so as soon as you touch that, she's on her way. Eh?
Yeah. She's ready to fire.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Nope.
Oh, we got no ground. Try that. Oh, hang on.
Put this on.
Oh, he doesn't get the ground like me.
My bad.
That's okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now you're good.
Up. Okay, ready? Oh.
Very good.
Is that too much?
Heat up.
Oh, you're just going slow. Whoa, yeah. I'm gonna turn it up and give you a chance of what it's like. We get up into what we call a spray transfer. Let me just.
Do I need the hat on for this one or no?
Pardon me? No. Yeah. You're tired of being pipeline.
I just don't want the hat on right now. I'm trying to get this thing good and
I
tight.
might just bump somebody's head here.
I'm trying to keep it away from the other.
Now this is just about as hot as this machine is. Everybody ready?
Yep.
Wow. And I'll just put another bead along the bottom.
Yep.
So that's just about as hot as this machine will go.
Okay. Can I try it over on this side maybe?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
You want to chip that cap off there?
No, it's all right. There's no slag on it.
Okay. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Those plugs.
Is that right or?
Well, you kind of missed it out there a little bit. But,
So I can go back and fill that?
yeah.
Okay. Well, here we go. Just pick it up from. Okay. Well, that thing gets hot. Holy mackerel. Wow. That is way too cool, eh?
That really powers it on there, doesn't it? Yeah, you don't have to be delicate like with the gas or anything. You just
No, it goes right
send
now.
it in there and...
Before I turn this over to somebody else, can I trouble you for one favor?
Sure.
You get your camera with you?
Yeah,
Can I get a picture? And maybe if you could email it to me
sure.
so I can show the wife so she knows I wasn't out running around doing something else.